What is up everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to set up brother MFC L2730DW printer and download or install drivers. So first of all, open browser and then search here printer. Now click on officially website. Now here you can select a window and then click on OK. Now click on printer driver. Now here you can download your printer driver. After download your printer driver, then here you can install your printer driver. Now here you can see my printer driver will be installed. Now go back and open settings and click on printer and driver. Now click on add device. Now click on add manually. Now follow these steps for add a printer. Now here you can see my printer will be added. Thanks for watching this video.